Hello students. So in this video, let's start with median for group data. Okay. So we have got a formula for median. To find median, L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F, the entire thing multiplied by H. And what is L? Where L is lower limit of median class. In mode it was model class, here it is median class. Then n is the number of data or number of observations. H is class size. CF is cumulative frequency. And F is frequency preceding CF. Okay. Frequency preceding median class. Let me write it as M dot C. And H stands for class size. Okay. Now let's understand this with an example, or let's solve the first problem itself. The first problem, the following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean, and mode of the data and compare them. So mean and mode, you can do it by yourself because we have done many problems on that. So let's concentrate only on the median. Okay. To find median, you have to just make one more column. Okay. Just another column, which is CF. Okay. Let's make just one more column, that is known as CF. Okay. CF stands for cumulative frequency. Okay. Let's draw the lines also so that we won't get confused. In the exam, actually, you must do this table. I'm just solving here itself to save time. But in exam, you're supposed to redraw this table again. Okay. Now, what is cumulative frequency? Cumulative is simply adding up, right? So when I say CF for this table, now the rule is very simple. Let's keep the first F, the value of F, or this is F, right? The frequency, the first value as it is. Okay. Now to find the next one, you have to just add with the next 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is how much? 9. 9 plus 13 is how much? 22. 22 plus 20 is how much? 42. 42 plus 14 is 56. 56 plus 8 is 64. 64 plus 8 is 68. Okay. What we did here was first term as it is, 4 as it is, then 4 with 5. Add it and write the answer. Then 9 with 13. Then 22 with 20. Then 42 with 14. Then 56 with 8. Then 64 with 4. This is what we did. Okay. To get the required CF. Okay. Once we find the CF, the next thing is to write the formula. Before finding the writing the formula, we have to find something called as median class. What is this median class? This median class is given by a formula. Okay, that is equal to n by 2. Okay. Now basically, what is median? Median is the middlemost value, isn't it? So what we are going to do is we're going to calculate the total number of things. Okay, the total number of data. That is nothing but adding up F. Okay, summation F is actually equal to n. Okay, so add this all, we write it as sigma F, that is actually equal to n. Okay, now if you add it, you get 68. This last value here and n value will be same, remember that. Now just divide this. Okay, 68 by 2. 68 by 2 is 34. Okay. So a median class is equal to 34, which means it is a 34th data. Okay. In the total entire 68 data, it is very obvious the data which is in the 34th position will be the middle value, isn't it? So where is this 34? See, observe in CF, when we say it is 4, we have got first 4 datas. Okay. Now here in the second column, we have got 9, meaning we have got the first 9 datas. In the third column, it is 22. So that is first 22 datas. So till here, we don't have the 34th data, isn't it? So the median class will be this fourth one, because when CF is 42, this 42 includes the 34, right? So 42 is like 42 datas are there. Okay. 42 different informations are there. In that information, you will definitely have the 34th information, isn't it? So the median class is this one. Okay. This will be our median class. Now let's write the formula. So very easy. Now calculate the n value and divide it by 2. Whatever value that you get, search it in the CF. Okay. Now 34 is not definitely in 22. Okay. But in 42, yes, it is from the starting data 1 to 42. 1 to 42. From 1 to 42, in between, definitely you will get 34, isn't it? Therefore, this is our median class. Now in the next line, let's write the formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F, the entire thing multiplied by H. Now that is equal to, what is L, the lower limit? That is equal to 125. N by 2 we have already done it, that is equal to 34 minus, okay, here actually I made a mistake. This frequency of median class, here CF is cumulative frequency preceding. While saying it, I said it, but while writing, I wrote it the other way. Okay. Now here, you must take the CF, not of the median class. Here, in median class, what is the CF? It is 42. We have to take the previous one. Okay. That is 22. Okay. 34 minus 22. F, we have to take the same one. That is 20. Okay. Frequency of the median class into class size. 145 minus 125 is 20. So you can cancel this 20 and this 20. So we'll be left with 125 plus 34 minus 22. We will get around 12, isn't it? So 125 plus 12 is 137. Therefore, the middlemost data, okay, or the consumption, monthly consumption, the middle value will be 137 units. Okay. So that is the middle value. Okay, exact middle. So very simple, find the value of n and divide by 2. Whatever value you get, search it in CF. That will give you median class. Once you get median class, you can find L, you can find CF and F. And remember, CF, you should not take the corresponding CF of the median class. That is, this is the 42 is this cumulative frequency of the median class. But you have to take the previous one. And one more hint is, whatever the value you get n by 2, the CF will be less than that. Okay. So it's very clear that you cannot take 42. Okay, you have to take the previous one, 22, and divide by F. For F, you have to take the corresponding one. Whatever you have in the median class, the same F. Okay. So let's get into the next question. In the next question, if you observe carefully, the median is given. The median of the following distribution is 28.5. So median is given. What we have to find is, we have to find the missing value X and Y. Now same thing, let's find the cumulative frequency first. Okay. So let's find the CF once again. So this will be our CF column. Okay, how do we find CF? The first value as it is, then add it. 5 plus x is 5 plus x itself. 5 plus x plus 20, that will become 25 plus x. 25 plus x plus 15, that will become 40 plus x. Then it will become here 40 plus x plus y. Okay, then here it is 45 plus x plus y. Okay. Now, the median is given as, what is the formula to find median? median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F, the entire thing multiplied by H. So they've already given this median, which is 28.5. Okay. So we have to find this 28.5. Where does it come? Okay. Remember, not in the CF. Okay. Do not do the mistake. Okay. Earlier, what we were trying to do was we were trying to find median. In that, the median class, we got it as 34. That 34 we were checking in CF. But here they've already given the median, right? So this median should be somewhere here. Okay. It will be here. Okay. 28.5 will be between 20 to 30, right? So from this data, we get to know that this is our median class. Okay. So L will become what? L will become 20 plus N by 2. If you observe, the total value N is equal to 60. So 60 by 2 is 30. 30 minus CF. For CF, we have to take the previous one, that is 5 plus X within the bracket. Divided by F is 20. And H is the class size, that will be equal to 10. So 28.5 as it is, let's send 20 to the other side, it will become minus 20. That is equal to 30 minus into 5, minus 5, minus into x, minus x, divided by 20 into 10. So you can cancel 0 and 0 here. So 28.5 minus 20 is 8.5. That is equal to 30 minus 5 is 25, minus x divided by 2. Let's cross multiply. 8.5 into 2 equals 25 minus x. 8.5 into 2 is 17. 17 is equal to 25 minus x. So let's send minus x to the other side, 17 to this side. So minus x to the LHS will become plus x. 25 as it is plus 17 to other side will become minus 17. So which implies x is equal to 8. Okay, remember we should also find the value of y. How do we find the value of y? If you add everything, okay, if you add all this thing, you are getting 60. And adding all this thing will also give you the last value, that is 45 plus x plus y. Remember, as I told you, the answer that you get, the value of n and this last value will be same. Okay, so n is actually equal to 45 plus x plus y, but we know that n is 60. So substitute the value of x. 60 is equal to 45 plus x is 8 plus y. So 45 plus 8 is 53. Okay, so 60 equals 53 plus y. Send 53 to the other side. It becomes 60 minus 53 equals y, which implies y is equal to 7. Therefore, the value of x and y is 7. Okay. Here we have to be very careful. They are given median as 28.5. This 28.5, you must check it in the class interval. Where does it come? It comes between 20 to 30, right? So this class will be your median class. Okay. Based on that, you have to substitute the value of L, N by 2, CF, H, and F. Okay. Remember, if you're trying to find median itself, here they have given median. We are trying to find the value of x and y. If suppose you're trying to find median itself, like the first question, what you have to do is find the median class, that is n by 2. Here it is 34. That 34 you should check in CF. Okay. So we'll continue with the next problems in the next video. Thank you, students.